How to register on Aviator Predictor app. Now, registration of Aviator Predictor application is quite simple and very easy to do. The main challenge here is to download the legitimate APK for you to be able to have access with this image right here. So what you want to do is just to use your preferred web browser, as on their official site from Aviator Predictor APK is no longer working. So what you want to do from here, once you have pulled up your browser, is just simply type in Aviator Predictor registration on GitHub. So as you can see, there are multiple results that Google Chrome is giving us out. But what you want to do next is scroll down and then just choose on Aviator Predictor dash GitHub topics. Now in here, this includes the specific APK where you can download the Aviator Predictor without any problems. Now if you scroll down a bit, there is a plenty of options. You can also try to look up their releases page for you to be able to download the official APK of Aviator Predictor app. Once you have accessed it, you should be able to create an account without any problems. So that's how you register or create an account with Aviator Predictor app.